Metamorphosis of Greenland ice sheet has scientists terrified. This is on Sputnik News just in. The world's largest island, Greenland, entered the spotlight this summer after U.S. President Donald Trump expressed a desire to buy it from Denmark. It's not the first time the U.S. had this idea. Although debate surrounding its status has since calmed down, the icy giant landmass is in the process of drastic natural changes. The ice covering Greenland is becoming denser. With frozen slabs expanding in the area. A new study published in the scientific journal Nature has revealed. The process, said to have never been seen before by glaciologists, could result in melted water eventually running off into the sea, as it cannot soak through the ice into the land. Okay? Frozen slabs expanding in the area, and Greenland covering ice is becoming denser. The authors of the research warn that this could contribute to a sea level rise and result in unexpected changes if the ice slabs continue to grow, turning Greenland into a runoff zone. Quote, "We're watching an ice sheet rapidly transform its state in front of our eyes, which is terrifying," unquote, said Mike McFerrin, glaciologist at the University of Colorado who led this study. According to the researchers, this area of the ice slab has grown by 65,000 square kilometers over just 14 years, from 2001 to 2014. As National Geographic explains, Greenland's icy blanket is more like compressed snow than actual ice, so the glacier has plenty of air pockets. Melted water is soaked up by this thick layer of snow, which is known as firn. However, as the research team discovered several years ago, a turtle shell, quote unquote, has formed over this natural snow sponge, and the water has started flowing away, affecting local hydrology. Modeling the process, the scientists concluded that the shell began to form in the early 2000s. Every year of extensive melting is said to be getting thicker. Quote, "Every handful of years, these big melt summers are doing a number on the firn, thus causing the whole process to grow inland pretty quickly," end quote. This is what McFerrin explained. And as a result, Greenland's runoff zone has grown by 26%, adding about a millimeter to global sea levels. But as the researchers calculated, runoff could increase dramatically and add up to 7.5 centimeters to sea level rise under a worst-case scenario with carbon emissions growing. If you'd like to join me on my Patreon account, you will hear content not covered by mainstream media. These riveting stories will be based on my research, and I will state my opinions and give my personal insight on diverse and controversial subjects and world events not covered by mainstream media, and not supported by YouTube guidelines. So whatever I have on my Patreon, most of those will not be on my YouTube channel. Please consider becoming a member today. More of the most significant and important videos will be on my Patreon channel. Your support helps me to continue my research and keeps this YouTube channel alive. And we depend on your support, your generous charity, because we help economically challenged families here in Athens, Greece, in Kapota, and we also help the young generation with university tuition and the community around our church. Thank you.